Hey Flutter devs, today we are having a look at the factory keyword in Flutter. Factory constructors are a powerful tool for managing object creation. Let's see how they work and why they are so useful. In Flutter, the factory keyword is used to define a factory constructor. Unlike regular constructors, factory constructors can return instance of class, subtype, or even existing objects. They give you a lot of flexibility in how you create and initialize your objects. Factory constructors are perfect for scenarios where you need more control over object creation. For example, you might want to create instances from JSON, implement singletons, or even return different objects based on certain conditions. Let's look at a simple example to understand how factory constructors work. We'll create a person class that can initialize object from a JSON map. In this example, we have a person class with a generative constructor and a factory constructor that is person.fromJSON that creates an instance from a JSON map. This is a common pattern when working with data from APIs. Here's a breakdown of what happens. The person class has a generative constructor to initialize the name and age field. The factory constructor that is person.fromJSON takes a JSON map, extract the name and age, and uses the generative constructor to create a person instance. Factory constructors are incredibly versatile and can be used in many scenarios, from simple JSON parsing to advanced design patterns like singletons. To summarize, factory keyword defines a factory constructor. It can contain logic to control object creation. It's useful for creating objects from external data sources and implementing patterns like singletons. Factory constructors provide flexibility by allowing you to return different instances based on conditions.